Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you another exciting video featuring 50 unbelievable heavy equipment machines that are working at another level. These machines are designed to tackle the toughest tasks, showcasing the pinnacle of engineering and innovation. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with some earth-moving titans. These machines are built to handle the most challenging excavation and construction projects. First, we have the Caterpillar 797F mining truck. This giant can haul up to 400 tons of material, making it a true heavyweight in the mining industry. Next, the Hitachi X8000-6 excavator. With its massive size and twin-engine design, it's capable of moving huge amounts of earth quickly and efficiently. And don't forget the Liebherr T282C dump truck, one of the largest dump trucks in the world, renowned for its reliability and massive payload capacity. Moving on to cranes and lifters, these machines are essential for lifting and transporting heavy loads in various industries. The Manitowoc 31,000 crawler crane. With its innovative lift-enhancing technology, it can handle some of the heaviest lifts with ease. Then we have the Liebherr LR 13,000, the world's most powerful conventional crawler crane. Its lifting capacity and precision are unmatched. And lastly, the Terex AC 1000 all-terrain crane, capable of lifting heavy loads even in the most challenging environments. In the agricultural sector, heavy equipment plays a vital role in boosting productivity and efficiency. Check out the Case IH Steiger Quadtrac 620. This versatile tractor is perfect for tackling the toughest agricultural tasks with its impressive power and traction. Next up is the Fendt 1050 Vario, known for its exceptional performance and advanced technology, making it a favorite among farmers. miss the John Deere S790 combine harvester, designed for maximum efficiency and productivity during harvest season. Demolition projects require powerful and precise machines to get the job done safely and efficiently. The Volvo EC750 demolition excavator is a perfect example. It's built for high-reach demolition tasks, capable of dismantling tall structures with precision. Then there's the Caterpillar 6015B hydraulic shovel, designed for heavy-duty demolition and material handling. And finally, the Kobelco SK350DLC10 demolition machine, equipped with advanced features for safe and efficient demolition operations. Specialized machines are designed for unique and challenging tasks, showcasing the ingenuity of modern engineering. The Vermeer T1655 terrain leveler is a standout, used for precision surface mining and excavation. Next, we have the Komatsu P&H4800XPC electric rope shovel, a giant in the mining industry with its massive bucket capacity and powerful digging capabilities. And lastly, the Liebherr PR776 mining dozer, designed for the toughest mining environments with its incredible pushing power and durability. 50 heavy equipment machines are truly working at another level, demonstrating the incredible advancements in technology and engineering. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.